I got a whoopee cushion. What? You hear that? The rubber.
Oh, dude, I walked on it.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god.
Yeah! Yeah, baby! It's a duel!
I want you to think back to some of the most difficult parts of Dark Souls, whether that's a particular enemy type, a boss fight, or even just a mechanic. And have you ever thought, wow, I want to make this even more of a pain in the neck?
Gonna plop my hand up here so you can do a little bit of motion tracking on my hand. Sick.
Sleep tight. Should we make him strong? Should we make him smart? Should we make him absurdly stupid?
Oh my... Excuse me!
That shit to look me at door.
Offer yourself.
Hello, dumbass.
1, 2, punch. He always gets that one in.
What?
You're lagging real bad. What are you stealing off the Starbucks hotspot or something?